Alright, so the previous video I showed you how you can use Uncanny Automator with Google Sheet integration. This time I'm gonna use the webhooks, and you don't have to use Uncanny Automator. You can also do it with Google Sheets itself. Then you have to go to the developers environment, wrote some scripts, and then make the webhook. But that is not the easiest way, and most of our want to have it on the easy way. So let's do it the easy way. So let's see just the last one in here. And the previous video I showed you that when somebody cancels, then you can see that it will be cancelled right here under in the button. And now we are going to make another appointment. I'm doing this on my phone, so you don't see it now, but I just make another appointment, and I have to choose a day and a time, and I go further the details, the address, same address, and let's go. And as you can see, we wait a little bit. You can see here that is approved. Now I changed the status to another date, so watch the date. So it's Wednesday 17, and I'm gonna change the date. Let's see, it's all on my phone, and I'm so sorry, but I have to search for it. Okay, so I'm gonna change the date, and let's say another day, and watch what happens. So now you can see that it doesn't work. It's another appointment. All right, I'm sorry. I'm going to change the date, and now you should see it. As you can see, the date has been changed. So this last one is all made with webhooks. And how do I do that? It's super easy. First thing that you have to do is go into the Amillia Webhooks integration, and then you can choose what you want to have. So in this case, I reschedule. So once you have made you chose, then you have to embed the webhook. Now this is in Dutch. I'm sorry for that. I have to change that, but well, you can figure it out by yourself. When you open the webhook integrations, then you can see it in your own language. So this is with the integrations. So you go to the integrations, and then you choose for the webhook. So here it is, and then you can add a new webhook, but in this case we only use this webhook. And then you go to Uncanny Automator, then you put in the webhook, you grab the data, and then use it in Google Sheets. Now it's of course super easy, and what the benefits is for this webhook is that there are more options. So there is also a payment status, how much they have paid. There are a lot more things that you can use with the webhooks. And don't forget to grab the ID. What I told you in the previous video, the ID is super important. So the appointment ID, and if you can see here, the appointment ID lives in here. So every time when there is made an appointment, it makes an own unique ID. So yeah, there's not much more to say about it. It's super easy, and webhooks are more stable. So they work better than the other way, directly with Uncanny Automator and Amillia. So that's what I wanted to say, and I'll see you the next time. So don't forget, when you want to have it in the Google Sheets, for example, the payments, the payment status, how much they've paid, with which currency. Don't forget to make rows. Thanks for watching.